Let's see how to add header and footer in a PDF file. So click on tools, in create and edit group, click on edit PDF option, click on open. Now we can see header and footer option. Click here, then click on add. So we can add header at 3 places, left, center and right, and footer also at 3 places, left, center and right. So let me add header at center. Click here. Now type the header you want to add. So let me type let me increase the size of the header to 12. Let me change the color to red. You can also change the font. You can also underline it. You can also increase or decrease the margin from here, like top, left, right, center. You can also select the page range on which you want your header to be applied. So you can see all pages have been selected, but you can select a particular page from here. So let it be all pages. You can also select subset, like from here, like even page only or odd page only. This means that your header will be applicable on even pages only if you select. So let me select even pages, then click OK. Then you can also save the setting here, give a name, click on OK. You can see the name here. You can also see the preview from here, like page 1. So in page 1 there will be no header because I have selected even pages only for the header to be applicable. So click here and press 2. You can see this is the preview on the second page. Nitish Kumar Singh in red color and underlined. So let me click on page 4. You can see this is the header on page 4 also. So click OK. You can also delete this header from here. So click OK. In the first page there is no header. In the second page you can see the header. In the third page no header. In the fourth page you can see the header. So in this way we can add header and footer in a PDF file by using edit tool.